Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the garment and machine. Remove dirt, seal zips, and compress bulky items so they wash evenly. Add Nikwax Down Wash directly into drum, 1 capful for a regular load, because it cleans and preserves oils the down needs. Select a gentle cycle, warm water around 30 degrees to 40 degrees C, and do not add detergent or fabric softener. They strip performance. Once started, watch that balance is even. If the jacket floats, pause and reposition so water circulates. Once the first cycle finishes, inspect carefully for remaining suds. You must rinse until water runs clear. If any soap remains, repeat the rinse. Soap damages down. Use a low spin setting to protect loft because aggressive extraction deforms clusters. If the item was very dirty, run a second full wash with the same product. Nikwax refreshes water repellency while cleaning. Make sure to check seams and cuffs for trapped detergent, if needed. Manually agitate those areas under running water before drying. You finish by drying thoroughly because damp down will clump and lose insulation. Tumble dry low with 3-4 dryer balls or clean tennis balls. They break clumps and restore loft. Dry in cycles, checking and manually redistributing. Fill between intervals because trapped moisture hides in pockets. Make sure the garment is bone dry. This can take several cycles. If clumps remain, stop, air dry until slightly damp, then retumble. Avoid direct heat or open flames, and use low heat to prevent damaging the shell or down.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.